Okay, welcome to next class. So today we will learn about the future perfect tense. Earlier we have covered future indefinite tense and future continuous tense. Today we will cover future perfect tense. What is the circumstances of situations where the future perfect tense is used? So let us learn. So here notable things is action will be completed. First condition is कि action will be completed before any point of time. So what is the point of time? So for example 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, these are the points. Na? So action will be completed before any point of the time. Second condition is कि action will be completed before any other action commence. So what it means कि first action will be done and after that second action will take place. Okay. For example, if I say कि we will have covered, we will have finished class by 3 p.m. Let us learn the timeline. Now, so this is the here we are here at right now it is 12:30. Okay, it will be no time near approximately. So we are here. If we go back, then it is past. So we are not to do anything with this. Na? We have learned it earlier. So we will talk about this. So this point of the time, and it is 3 p.m. So we are talking about that we will have finished means action. What is action? Our work is we are reading now, so we are learning something. So this action will be completed before any point of time. So this is the point of the time. So we will speak like this. We will have finished the class by 3 p.m. Another example. You will have covered your grammar portion by next month. So here we guessed that this action means covering our grammar portion will be completed by the next month. So we talk about the action's completion means this action will be completed first of all, but we talk in the future time. We guess something in this action will be covered, will be finished, will be completed in the future time. What is the use of this before any other action commence? So, for example, I will have finished my lunch before you come. So remember here, this is the second action coming, your arrival. This is the second action, and first action is I will have to finish my lunch, means eating the lunch. So So this action will be completed before the any other action commence or happens or take place. एक काम होने से पहले ना दूसरे काम के पहले एक काम कोई हो चुका होगा, इसमें ऐसा हम एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं. आई विल हैव फिनिश्ड माई लंच बिफोर यू कम. सो हियर यहाँ पे आपको नोटेबल क्या रखना है कि हियर वी यूज द प्रेजेंट एंड डेफिनिट ओनली. प्रेजेंट एंड डेफिनिट. अनदर एग्जांपल, सीता will have played chess before you reach at her home. So here it means this is the action to be done by the Sita and second action is to be done by you. So but this action will be completed before this action will take place. When you will go there at the Sita's home, so she will have played chess, means she will be free that time. So this is the use of the future perfect tense. How the negative, do you want to note down it? Okay, if you want, note down it now so that I could proceed further. Okay,
Okay, sir. Right. चेस का हिंदी में क्या होता है?
शतरंज.
शतरंज.
You will have played chess before you reach at the. यहाँ पे एक नोटेबल थिंग्स ये ध्यान रखना है कि पहले वाले में तो फ्यूचर परफेक्ट टेंस यूज होता है, लेकिन दूसरे जब आप दूसरे एक्शन की बात करते हैं तो वहाँ पे प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनिट हो जाता है. ही, सी, इट, राम, सीता के साथ में SAIS यहाँ पे. और अगर आपका सब्जेक्ट है आई, यू, वी एंड दे, तो प्रेजेंट टेंस इज यूज्ड, मतलब फर्स्ट फॉर्म वर्ब का रख दिया जाता है. SRES इज नॉट एडेड. ओके. So negative, in the negative formation, nothing special is done, only not is added. We know very well, na? So negative formation will be negative when we negate any ideas or reject any ideas. So you will have covered your grammar portion by the next month. So it will become you will not have covered your grammar portion. You will not have covered your grammar portion by next month. So when we will say this type of the sentence, when we find that the syllabus is too broad, too large, so we will say no, you will not have completed your grammar portion by the next month, because I think that it will take some extra classes, so we are not able to complete this section before any point of the time. Okay. Interrogative, if we talk about the interrogative formation, so type 1. So type 1 is answered in yes or no. You know, if when you will make a question In type 1, then you will get your answer only in yes or no. So nothing is done, only two words are interchanged here. So question will be like this: will you have covered your grammar portion? So grammar portion by next month. So here any authority from this school, na, for example, the directors of the school, he may ask me, will you have covered your grammar portion by the next month? So answer is expected in yes or no. If I think that I will have covered this, then I will say that yes, I will have covered this grammar portion by the next month. And if I want to reply in the negative, so then I will say no sir, it is not possible, I will have not covered our grammar portion by the next month. So this is, so answer is, it is always answered in yes or no. Yes or no. And the third, type 2. So in the type 2, we use the question word. So question will be like that: how, and the same is copied. So how will you have covered your grammar portion by next month? So when I answer, yes sir, I will have covered, na? When I answer to director, yes sir, don't worry, I will have covered the grammar portion by the next month. Then he may make another question, ki how will you cover, na? So now I cannot answer in yes or no. So answer will be in a word or in a phrase or in a sentence. So answer will be like this: I will try to go fast. So this means answer can be given. I will try to go fast. मैं थोड़ा सा तेजी से सिलेबस को रन करवाऊंगा, जल्दी पढ़ने की कोशिश करेंगे. So I will have covered my grammar portion by next month because I will try, क्योंकि मैं कोशिश करूंगा, to go fast, थोड़ा सा तेज पढ़ने की कोशिश करेंगे. We will learn fast in the supersonic mode, you can say. Okay, so we will learn in the supersonic mode. So this type of the question. He may another type of the question may be asked, when will you have covered your grammar portion? So यहाँ तक ये हट जाएगा, क्योंकि when से जब आप क्वेश्चन करते हैं when से, तो उसके आंसर में आपको कोई टाइम मिल जाता है ना. when will you get up? So 6 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 7 o'clock. So this, so यहाँ पे ये हट जाएगा, तो क्वेश्चन बन जाएगा कि when will you have covered your grammar portion. कब पूरा कर लेंगे आप? फ्यूचर टाइम की बात की जा रही है यहाँ पे कि कब तक ये दिस सेक्शन विल बी कवर्ड. सो दिस इज द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ द formation and use of the future perfect tense. Okay, I think you got it. Thank you.